Welcome to my video. I'm so glad you're here with us today. My friend and I just finished a wonderful ride out here by motorbike. We've come to the Puok district of Siem Reap to research and study some of the lesser-known ancient temples that many travelers never get to see. The journey was incredible. We drove about 25 kilometers from the city center, which took us roughly 30 minutes. We spent the ride passing through lush local farms and some of the most beautiful countryside Cambodia has to offer. We even took a few moments along the way to stop and chat with local villagers. They shared some fascinating insights about the history and the landscape of this area before we finally reached our destination. As you can see, we have now arrived at the ancient Temple Hill. It's quiet and peaceful here, but there is so much history beneath our feet. The local villagers call this site Prasat Kok Krabei Roneal. It's a unique name with a very literal meaning. In the Khmer language, Kok means dry, Krabei means buffalo, and Roneal means rolling in mud. When you put it all together, it translates to the Temple of the Buffalo Rolling in Dry Mud. It's believed that locals named it this after frequently seeing buffaloes wallowing in what used to be the temple moat. It's a bit sad to think about, but the original historical name from the Angkorian era has been lost to time. But that's why we're here. Please join us as we climb up and explore the remaining structures. We're going to look closely at the stones and the layout to see if we can determine exactly which era this temple was built in, together.
My friend and I are standing here, where Prasat Kok Krabei Roneal was built on a large man-made hill. You can still see the traces of a wide moat that once encircled the entire site, but today that moat has completely dried up. As you look at this footage, you can see how the ancient temple bricks are now scattered throughout the hill, showing the effects of time and nature on these ruins. Based on our research and study of the temple structure, we can see how local villagers have carefully collected surviving sandstone blocks. They have arranged them in a circle to mark the original foundation of the temple, helping us visualize how the sanctuary once stood. Historians believe that Kok Krabei Roneal was built around the 11th century during the reign of King Suryavarman I. It was dedicated to the Hindu religion, serving as a sacred place where the king's people could come to worship their deities. Even though the temple is now in ruins, it remains a powerful symbol of the spiritual legacy and advanced engineering of the Khmer Empire.
Even though only the ancient temple ruins remain, the local villagers have built a small wooden structure on the temple hill. My friend and I observed how they used this space to house temple fragments as a sign of respect, proving that the ancient faith is still very much alive here.
Based on our research and study, we found that Prasat Kok Krabei Roneal is located in Trapeong Vang Village, Krabei Roneal Commune, Puok District. It sits about 25 kilometers southwest of the famous Angkor Wat Temple in Siem Reap Province. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos of our explorations, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say or a question about this site, please leave a comment.